fastest player in the nation. Y'all already know right here. We about to get this dog. Let's go, Fred. Woo! There you go, Carson. Get this first down. Come on, dog.
They got to pass, right?
Yeah,
they got to pass.
You got the A-gap. Anything comes through the A-gap is yours.
If I would have looked, it'd been a pick right there. I was mad at myself. That boy Lo ain't ready, boy.
Cover down, make a tackle inside the 20.
It was too off the edge, so he tried to pass it.
You better put him to the ground every chance you get, bro. When I get it, though, I'm gonna score, bro. That's what I'm talking about.
That's a 45 yards.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. They can't stop me. There we go, B. I know I got through you, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, that's touchdown. And there we go. Good job, Will. Hey, Rashad, that's what I'm talking about, dog. Touchdown right there, B. He ran him over too, dog. Good job, Carson. He's right here, he's right here. Good catch, good catch. That's first down. That's first down. Hey, Terrence, that's big time, baby. Oh, he's open. Come on, Terrence. Touchdown, baby. Woo! Hey. That's what I'm talking about, Terrence. That's what I'm talking about. Where's Terrence?
20 yards.
That's what I'm talking about, Terrence. We in this. Touchdown. That's TD. Here you go, Rashad. B. Let's go. Oh, damn, so. Come on, Wood. Come on, Wood. That's cookies. That's cookies. That's cookies. Hey, that's cookies. That's cookies, baby. Let's go. That's barbecue chicken. All right, Twitter, King Athlete 5, Instagram, King Athlete. Make sure y'all have me right here. This is my PBR spotlight right here. That's how we do 39-0, bro. What we do? Hey, future, take care. Let's go. There we go. Hey.